So for this problem, it says write down the ordered pair for each point and label what quadrant it's located in. I know on yours you only had to find one, but I'm going to go ahead and do each for this video. So this is kind of a reminder of the quadrants. It starts over here where everything's positive, that's quadrant 1, and then it goes counterclockwise, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So if I want to write down the ordered pairs here, remember every ordered pair is an x first, then a y. So the x value here would be at positive 4, and the y value is also at positive 4, and that is in quadrant 1. If we go over here, both of these points are in quadrant 2, and of course we're going to write them down. The x value for A is negative 2, and the y value for A is positive 2. And if you don't remember your axis, you can label them. X is horizontal and y is vertical. And I remember that because the letter y has that long straight line. All right, so for point D, our x value is negative 2, and our y value is 4. And then for point B, this is over here in quadrant 4. We did not have anything in quadrant 3. Let me move that back, that was weird. We did not have anything over here in quadrant 3, that's fine. But for quadrant 4, our x has to come first, and then our y value. The order does matter. X has to come before y. You cannot switch the order.